Hello viewers, welcome to Pharmacist Online. Today in this video I will explain how to use Omron M3 Comfort upper arm blood pressure monitor. In this video I will explain from the beginning until the use of this device. So please stay with me until the end of this video and watch it completely and don't skip any part so you will understand complete how to use this device correctly. Now let's start this video in detail. When you unbox your Omron M3 Comfort, so you will find some battery cells you will install here. Okay, you can use the DC adapter here. This is the arm cuff. Put it here. Okay, now one thing here, you have to make setting in this device. So you first of all you have to set the date and time. So press this button. You can see here, this is our year. I have already set this device, so you will fix it by this button. Okay, and this is your date, this is your month, and this is your date. I have already set it. So by pressing this button and this button you can set the month, and by selecting this button, okay, now this is the date. By pressing this one and this one you can choose your date. Press OK. This is your time. Okay, so this is my local time. You can change from these buttons also. I will press OK. This is the minutes. Okay, you can change the minutes from here. I will select OK. So now this device records 60 previous of your blood pressure records for 2%. Okay, this is 1 and this is 2. Now let's start the device here by pressing this button. You can see here, if you press this button, so all your previous result will appear here. Okay, and if you hold it, I will explain that later how to delete the previous result. Now let's how to measure the blood pressure with this device. Make it stop. As you can see here should be 2 centimeter distance between your elbow and this anti-wrap cuff. Okay, wrap this one smoothly, not so loose and not so tight. If you can see here clearly. Okay, and this should be above your artery. Okay, this is the position. And one thing, this anti-wrap cup should be in the same line to your heart. Okay, so now let's start the button here. This will start inflation automatically. You see here, this will go up to 200, and this green button when your anti-wrap cup is wrapped correctly, so this will be green, otherwise this will show the errors. This is the deflation. You can see here the heart is, you can see here the heartbeat. You see here it gives 144 over 100 and 75 pulse rate. In here you see these buttons, systolic and diastolic. It shows the blood pressure is high. So what I will do now, I will measure my blood pressure with a manual sphygmomanometer and we will compare the result with this one. But here are many factors involved, because this is why the blood pressure is showing it's high here. I will tell you now here what is the reason. Because if you just came from exercise, or you just take your breakfast or lunch or dinner, and maybe you take your coffee cup or tea, or maybe you have smoked a cigarette, So your result will be high. Myself, I just came from the exercise and I took my breakfast here and a coffee also. So it shows. The best way how to measure the blood pressure, you should be rested in your room and the temperature of the room should be normal room temperature. Okay, and no cigarette, no coffee, no meal before measuring the blood pressure, and you should rest at least 10 to 15 minutes. If you take your coffee or meal or cigarette, then you have to wait for 30 minutes exactly. Now after that you will measure your blood pressure. Now let me show you how to use this for the right arm. You can see here almost the result is different for the right arm and the left arm. Here you will wrap like this. This tube will be down here, not exactly here. Wrap this in telecap. Start. This is the deflation now here, this heart rate. You see the result is 129. The systolic is normal because you can see here, is no result for this one. But the diastolic, it shows high, 94. So I'm already hypertensive, so it may be the result is correct. So we will make another try on the left hand also. The pulse rate is normal and the diastolic is high because it should be 85 or below 85. The standard blood pressure here, the systolic should be 135 or below and the diastolic should be 85 or below. But here you can see here the systolic is okay, below 135, but the diastolic is high. Now let's measure again the blood pressure from left hand. Let me explain you something. When you want to measure the blood pressure with the digital devices, so at least you should measure blood pressure for 3 times. Okay, and this will give you the correct result. Now the left hand and the right hand, you have to consult with your physician when he measure your blood pressure, and he will suggest you can measure your blood pressure with your left hand or right hand. Okay. Now let's bring the IntelliWrap cup to the position. Here should be 2 centimeter distance. Okay. Now let's start again. Now here again it shows 140 or 101. So there are many factors involved. This Intelli Rev Cup and the other factors which I explained to you, the meal, breakfast and exercise. Okay, so but I will measure my blood pressure with the manual and I will show you here in this video what is the correct result. So viewers, now we will start measuring blood pressure with this manual device. It gives almost the correct results. Myself, I trust on these old devices too much. So let's start. We'll start inflation here. We'll go up till 200. Okay. Okay viewers, now after using this mercury, the old one, you know, this sphygmomanometer, it also give me the result above 140, the systolic blood pressure above 140 and the diastolic above 100. Okay, so it means our this device Omron M3 Comfort, it's give us the correct result. So if you want to measure your blood pressure, it's advised to stay in a room temperature without any hard work, and you cannot drink any tea or coffee before measuring the blood pressure because the result will be interfered as you see in the video. If you just came from exercise or you took your meal or a cup of coffee or tea, or unfortunately you smoke a cigarette, so you have to wait for 30 minutes. When you are relaxed and calm, after that you have to measure the blood pressure and it will be correct. Now if your blood pressure is high, you cannot use medication by yourself. You have to visit the physician for a few days when you measure your blood pressure and it shows high. So it is better if you visit a cardiologist. He will clinically determine if you are hypertensive or not. If you are hypertensive, he will advise you the medication and you have to use properly. Okay viewers, I hope this video helped you to understand this device very well. Please don't forget to subscribe to the Pharmacist Online channel. This will encourage me to make more good informational videos for you people. Thank you so much. Stay safe and healthy.